Hello mga motorista and welcome na naman sa isang video, and today we are here at Mitsubishi Cagayan de Oro sa may Bulwa, and today let's take a look at their Xpander Cross kasi meron silang add-on features and also accessories na sinasama na nila sa kanilang 2024 model year na Xpander Cross. So let's take a look at what's included with the update, no? Of course, yung update na to mga motorista is hindi free. Syempre, meron ding updated price, no? So you have two options now. Meron kayong Xpander Cross na normal and Xpander Cross Outdoor Edition. So yung Outdoor Edition, basically, as you can see on the video, is meron siyang mga additional na camping chairs, meron siyang parang tent, no, na nakasabit sa sasakyan, and also meron tayong camping na table. So yun yung isa sa mga add-ons. But on the Xpander Cross itself, meron din tayong update. Tignan muna natin yung looks ng Xpander Cross. Quite a good looker in my opinion. Very modern. I like the T-shaped headlights. Projector type yung ating high beam. Yung low beam natin, projector as well. And meron din tayong fog lights which are also projector, and yung ating ground clearance is pretty good with the Xpander Cross. One thing that I really like also is yung ating LED DRLs, and sa ilalim niyan yung ating LED turn signal lights. It just looks so good, especially at night mga motorista, itong Xpander Cross. Now, when it comes to the color, ilalagay ko lang sa video natin, but look at the overall look niya mga motorista, na still an MPV / SUV yung tawag ni Mitsubishi dito. And when it comes to the wheels and tires, hindi din tinipid ni Mitsubishi yung kanilang rim design. I really like it, no? It's one of the more good looking na rims, no, on the segment itself. Better than the Toyota Veloz in my opinion. So basically, when it comes to suspension, setters and struts and torsion beam sa likod. Disc brake tayo sa harap and drum brake sa likuran. Meron tong smart entry feature yung ating Xpander Cross. Mga motorista, let's focus our attention to the back of the Xpander Cross because mostly andito lahat yung mga changes natin. Number one dyan is yung ating taasan na part is meron na siyang spoiler, and I really love the T-shaped LEDs mga motorista na frosted type. Now, LED lahat dito sa likuran, which is really nice in my opinion, especially at night. I didn't see any reverse sensors. Meron din tayong tailgate guard and also parang plastic cladding, no, na dinikit lang ni Mitsubishi dito sa ating tailgate. So, now, let's take a look at the engine naman. When it comes to the engine, the Xpander Cross has a very decent engine for its class. Now, it's a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. MyVic siya, and it has decent amount of power, 104 PS and 141 Newton meters of torque. So mga motorista, we are inside the Xpander Cross, and immediately yung nagugustuhan ko dito is yung steering wheel niya kasi malaki yung steering wheel natin, it's chunky. This is the same steering wheel na nasa ating Montero Sport. So yung mga buttons and items here, no, what I can see is meron tayong cruise control, meron tayong voice command, and meron tayong audio controls on the other side. Now dito naman sa ating mga windows, so auto up and down or one touch up and down sa driver, pero wall na din ng mga toggles pagdating sa ating passenger windows. What I really appreciate sa ating Xpander Cross mga motorista is the glass area, no. It doesn't feel claustrophobic here. Spacious yung harap niya. If you want an MPV na maganda yung space, which is talagang importante sa isang MPV, the Xpander Cross is worth a look mga motorista. Tignan nyo naman to. Napaka-comfortable ko, and everything is very simple, very basic lahat ng mga controls niya. Power side mirrors and power folding din siya. And then meron tayong traction control button on this side. Okay, andito siya. And then yung steering wheel natin, again, it's what I like. So yung ating screen is fully digital, which is really nice, no, for the MPV segment. It is quite big yung ating screen size. So around the 8-inch yung ating screen dito. Unfortunately, pagdating sa ating infotainment system, it's a little bit more smaller than the main driver display. So you get AM, FM, Bluetooth radio. So I think this is a 7-inch display. But again, what it lacks in screen space, it does give us a lot of easy to use buttons dito sa side. So meron tayong volume knob and home button, call button, and back button, and then you can switch to day mode or night mode, so magdidim yung ating screen. And I really like how fast this screen works, no? Tignan na naman mga motorista. So, ayan, Bluetooth, di ba? So, very fast. And you go, and kung pupunta tayo sa settings, no, tignan nyo naman, napakabilis ng response ng screen. So, one thing that I really like about this Xpander Cross. Now, moving down, yes, you can see na meron tayong hazard button, engine push to start natin, and then you have here your climate control. Now, yung climate control natin, single zone lang siya, pero meron siyang tinatawag na max cool function, bali. Pinakamalamig to na setting and pinakamabilis na fan option. And then USB ports are here. Ayan. And then 12 volt outlet natin. Meron tayong lalagyan here and then dito sa ilalim. Now, one thing that is a drawback no lang dito sa ating Xpander Cross, it still has a 4-speed automatic transmission. So, in this segment, you can choose either a CVT. Sa ibang you can choose either a CVT, no, if you want to go with other competitors. Pero ito si Xpander Cross, it has a 4-speed automatic, no. Nasa sa inyo na yun if you're okay with a 4-speed transmission in 2023. So, nothing bad about this transmission since lesser gears, lesser gear hunting na dito sa ating Xpander Cross. But again, it does limit, no, the highway legs of the Xpander Cross, especially if you're talking about fuel consumption. Now, dito naman sa side natin, you can also see very modern touch, electronic parking brake with auto hold. Very helpful pag traffic situations, mga motorista. And you can see, dalawang bottle holder, malaking compartment dito sa ating armrest, leather yung ating armrest. And meron pa tayong mga lalagyan here which I really appreciate, no, especially if you have phones and other things that you want, no, to put it on your line of sight. Glove compartment natin is also quite good yung space. Now, dito sa ilalim, meron tayong mga bottle holders. Ayan, sa ilalim. Ayan, okay. So, ayan, bottle holders sa ilalim. Okay. And then, yung ating steering wheel is, yeah, it's tilt and also telescoping. So, walang problema when it comes to adjustability. So, one thing lang to note na the Xpander Cross only gets dual airbags. So, unfortunately, if you want more airbags such as 6 airbags, you go for Toyota models kasi ayan, 6 airbags yung kanilang Veloz, mga motorista, no. Dito sa ating Xpander Cross, dalawa lang siya. Alright? So, yan yung ating interior ni Xpander Cross. By the way, speakers are 6 dito sa loob. Yung advantage talaga niya when it comes to highway driving is yung cruise control. Kasi si Toyota Veloz, wala yung cruise control, mga motorista, which is nandito sa ating Xpander Cross, diba? So, one advantage yan kay Mitsubishi. Now, dito sa likod ni Xpander Cross or sa second row niya, one thing that I really like is how spacious you are dito sa likuran. And I really appreciate the space dito talaga, mga motorista. Nakita nyo naman, ayan, we have here pockets, another pocket dito. And sa ilalim na part natin, we have here Type-C port, which is nice. And then, standard Type-A port. Ayan. Wala tayong masyadong hump dito sa center. So, center passengers will be happy. Dito naman is yung ating air conditioning vents. So, 4 yan, mga motorista. Siguradong malamig yung mga passengers natin dito sa second row and sa third row. But again, with this kind of setup, no, medyo it eats, no, the space, no, dito sa ating second row, no, sa harap. But anyway, since mataas yung ating Xpander Cross, walang problema sa ating headroom naman. Nasa harap naman siya. Alright? So, yeah, meron tayong mga pockets dito. Yung armrest natin is, siya. So, if fold mo to, this becomes your cup holders andito sa likuran. Seat belts for the center passenger, mga motorista. Now, sa likuran na part, ayan, kita nyo naman yung ating seat. Again, it's best for kids talaga yung ating upuan dito, mga motorista, no? So, kita nyo din sa likuran natin, may tayong mga box kasi once you get the outer edition, meron kang kasamang mga tent. So, titignan natin yan mamaya, mga motorista. Meron kang mga chairs. So, ready for camping na siya si Xpander Cross, no? So, you don't need to buy a tent, mga accessories, diba? So, minimal na lang yung bibilhin mo kasi meron na siyang inclusion dito. But again, it is an add-on price, no? from the regular Expander Cross. Right. So, ayan yung ating interior ni Expander Cross. I really like the interior, spacious, simple, and nothing complicated here. Wala tayong mga advanced driver aids lang dito sa Expander Cross. Take note of that. If you want more advanced driver aids, go for Toyota. They have blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, 360 camera, which you don't really find dito sa ating Expander Cross. Ito yung mga inclusions natin dito sa ating Outer Edition. So, meron tayong spoiler. Ayan. Ito yung high mount stoplight natin, di ba? So, ayan, nakakabit yung ating tent now. Ito siya. Di ba? So, secure naman siya yung pagkakabit natin. Parang suction cup lang yung gamit nila mga motorista. Ayan. I think, yeah, suction cup lang talaga. And again, these camping chairs, no? Well-made siya and merong nakalagay Mitsubishi Motors talaga. And then also this one. Okay? So, I think this is a collaboration. Tignan natin. Yan, Mitsubishi Motors and Agawa. So, mga outdoor equipments, mga motorista, no? So, other than that, you also get mud guards for this outdoor edition. Protection dito. At ito. One thing, ito. Again, that's another protection. And then here. So, you get all that accessories, mga motorista, for the outdoor edition sa ating Expander Cross. Now, tignan natin yung price ng ating Expander Cross na two-tone. So, 1,398,000 siya. Now, if you want to go for the outdoor edition, it is priced at 1,423,000 pesos. So, it is quite a bit more expensive than the regular two-tone Expander Cross. So, mga motorista, what do you think with this add-on? Very, very minor accessory upgrade for the Expander Cross. And till the 2023 model year of Expander Cross, no big updates there, just accessory packed ito. So, ayan mga motorista, maraming salamat for watching this video and I'll see you on the next episode.